The Montana National Guard Quick Response Force recently held a 2-day training session at Fort Harrison for its members to learn the use of non-lethal weapons. Senior Master Sergeant Eric Peterson tells us the story.
The Quick Response Force of the Montana National Guard consists of 30 Air and 30 Army National Guardsmen. Its mission is to respond to potential terrorist events or a multitude of state natural disasters or civil disturbances. QRF membership is voluntary, and participation is an additional duty to a main job specialty. QRF members cite many reasons for belonging to this organization.
It's fun. It's something different, and you're always learning something new and something you can use sometime in the future.
I guess to do something for my unit. They do a lot for me, so get to meet new people, and working with the Army is definitely interesting. Not a chance you always get.
To ensure that they remain in top form, the QRF often participates in monthly joint training exercises in order to learn new equipment and techniques.
Well, a lot of our training focuses on responses that would entail manning entry control points or keeping people out of a specific area that might need to be contained for some reason. If we have some type of civil disturbance, then we would need the capabilities and the training set basically to be able to respond to that.
The non-lethal weapon, riot gear familiarization, and civil disturbance training that the QRF members received lasted for 2 days. The Guardsmen learned how to hold and subdue subjects, the correct operation of tasers, and on the last day took a crash course in the use and effects of pepper spray. The Guardsmen agreed that the exercise proved to be one of the toughest things that they had experienced during their training with the QRF.
I don't ever want to do it again.
But it also will prove to be valuable knowledge to put to use if needed during an emergency situation.
Before, I would have sprayed somebody and never gave it a second thought, and now it's maybe give them a few more commands to tell them, hey, I've done this and you don't want it.
The Quick Response Force will continue to have joint introductory and refresher training conducted alternately at locations at Fort Harrison and in Great Falls. Reporting from the 120th Fighter Wing in Great Falls, Montana, this is Senior Master Sergeant Eric Peterson for 1st Air Force Now.